Hello and welcome to Lifestyle Peak, where subscribers get loads of inspiration, entertainment, education, and fun. It's all going to be worth your time, so sit back and relax. You may also want to like and subscribe, and please comment below, and let us know what you think. Here we go.
Zingiber officinale, also known as the root more commonly known as ginger, is a flowering plant native to Southeast Asia, India, and China. It belongs to the same family as turmeric and cardamom. Ginger is valued for its aromatic, culinary, and medicinal properties. It's one of the healthiest and most delicious spices on the planet. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil or juice. It's a very common ingredient in recipes. Ginger may taste great as a spice in your favorite dish or as a hot tea, but it is more than just a flavoring. It's been used for its medicinal properties throughout the ages. Here are 17 surprising health benefits of ginger. 1. It can help boost immunity. Gingerol found in ginger is a compound that fights inflammation, and contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties to help fight infections, and boost your immunity. 2. Highly effective against nausea. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea. Sipping ginger ale or ginger tea for nausea has been shown to be an effective remedy, because the ginger helps your stomach empty faster. Ginger root has also been anecdotally reported to reduce the symptoms associated with motion sickness, including dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and cold sweats. It may also help relieve nausea following cancer treatment, like chemotherapy. You may also offer your hungover friend a can of ginger ale the morning after a fun night out. However, it may be most effective when it comes to pregnancy-related nausea, such as morning sickness. Yes, ginger may help reduce symptoms of morning sickness. Ginger helps if you're trying to ease a queasy stomach, especially during pregnancy. It may work by breaking up and getting rid of built-up gas in your intestines. Although ginger is considered safe, talk with your doctor before taking large amounts if you're pregnant. 3. Eases a cold or flu. You may use ginger to help recover from a cold or flu. Ginger tea is your great choice at the onset of a cold. Being diaphoretic, ginger encourages perspiration and can therefore be used to treat feverish conditions such as influenza or cold. 4. Reduces inflammation and pain. The gingerols in ginger quash inflammation and turn off pain-causing compounds in the body. Those who consume ginger regularly experience reductions in their pain levels and improvements in their mobility. Ginger won't remove muscle pain on the spot, but it may tame soreness over time. The next time you have stiff joints and muscle pain, taking ginger could help you get moving with ease. 5. Reduces migraine pain. Taking 500 to 600 milligrams of ginger powder at the onset of a migraine, and continuing to take it every 4 hours for 4 days may protect you from migraine symptoms. 6. It can help you lose weight. Ginger supplementation significantly reduces body weight, the waist-hip ratio, and the hip ratio in people with overweight or obesity. But as with anything else, ginger is no magic weight loss pill. Other components of a healthy, balanced diet matter just as much when it comes to losing weight and keeping it off. Lifestyle is still the key in maintaining your desired healthy weight. 7. Lowers blood sugar. It has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger may drastically lower blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factors. 8. It may help prevent heart disease. Ginger may help manage cholesterol levels, reduce damage to the arteries, and lower high blood pressure, all of which benefits the heart and cardiovascular system. Ginger's blood-thinning properties could help prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing your risk of heart and stroke. If you are already taking blood-thinning medications, check with your doctor before including more ginger in your diet. 9. It can settle an upset stomach or chronic indigestion. Chronic indigestion, also called dyspepsia, is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. It's believed that delayed emptying of the stomach is a major driver of indigestion. Interestingly, ginger before meals may make your system empty faster, leaving less time for food to sit and cause problems. This is beneficial for people with indigestion and related stomach discomfort. 10. May help reduce dysmenorrhea or relieve menstrual cramps. Good news for women. Ginger helps relieve cramps. Dysmenorrhea refers to pain felt during the menstrual cycle, right before or during menstruation. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that reduce the pain of menstrual cramps. And it's often more effective than over-the-counter remedies. When it's time for your cycle, it's time to add a little ginger to your diet. 11. Protects against disease. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, compounds that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA. This may help your body fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, and diseases of the lungs, plus promote healthy aging. 12. Lowers cancer risk. Ginger has many preventive health benefits, including lowering the risk of cancer. The anti-cancer properties are attributed to gingerol, which is found in large amounts in raw ginger. The cell-protecting properties of ginger can lower the long-term risk of certain cancers. While ginger's not a cure-all for any chronic disease, using it regularly with loads of other spices and plant-based foods can help benefit health overall. 13. Helps brain health. Brain disorders may be related to chronic inflammation in the brain, which makes the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger extra beneficial for brain function. Taking ginger could provide health benefits for anxiety, depression, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, and post-traumatic stress disorder. If your brain could use some support, add ginger to your diet or try daily supplements. 14. Can help fight infections. Gingerol can help lower the risk of infections. In fact, ginger extract can inhibit the growth of many different types of bacteria. Fresh ginger may also be effective against the respiratory syncytial virus, a common cause of respiratory infections. 15. Fights germs. Ginger is especially good at halting growth of bacteria, like E. coli and Shigella, and it may also keep viruses at bay. Ginger inhibits such bacteria as Salmonella, which cause diarrhea, and protozoa, such as Trichomonas. Trichomoniasis is a common but curable sexually transmitted disease or STD. 16. Keeps your mouth healthy. Ginger's antibacterial power may also brighten your smile. Active compounds in ginger called gingerols keep oral bacteria from growing. These bacteria are the same ones that can cause periodontal disease, a serious gum infection. Ginger is very effective against the oral bacteria linked to gingivitis and periodontitis. Ginger is very effective against the oral bacteria linked to gingivitis and periodontitis. 17. Rejuvenates skin and hair. Skip the beauty counter and head to the produce stand for some fresh ginger to boost your skincare routine. Start your beauty regimen from the inside out with ginger. Consuming ginger can reduce the appearance of scars, maintain collagen levels, even out skin tone, stimulate hair growth, and fight the bacteria that can cause dandruff. Ginger's antioxidants help protect the skin from free radicals like pollution and UV rays, which speed up the breakdown of collagen and damage the skin. The result? Your skin is healthier and more youthful looking. Is ginger safe for everyone? Ginger is a potent herb that acts pharmacologically, so it may be unsuitable for some people, including people with a history of oxalate-containing kidney stones, those who frequently experience heartburn or acid reflux, those with low blood pressure or on blood pressure medications. These individuals should consume ginger in moderation because of its potential blood pressure lowering effects. To be sure if it is safe for you to consume ginger, consult your doctor for guidance.
There you go, lifestyle peakers. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like, and subscribe for more entertaining, educational, and fun video presentations from Lifestyle Peak. Bless and be blessed.